Naviate Traffic contains 4 commands for creating markings: line, cross, lane, and area marking. As this intersection example will show, together these commands can create any type of marking I require. Line marking creates markings along existing lines. This is used, for example, for edge and center marking. The command is easily repeatable with enter, and the settings are remembered to create multiple markings of the same type. Cross markings create markings along points I pick myself, and is used, for example, for stop lines and crosswalks. All markings are displayed as a preview while the dialog is open, so any changes made to the settings can be checked instantly. All markings can be draped to selected surface as a 3D mesh, as you can see on the right side of the drawing. Line and cross markings have libraries of marking types that are included in Naviate. You can also edit these settings templates to fit your own need. Lane markings place symbols in the road. You can easily add to this library with your own blocks. Area marking: start with a closed polyline and fill that area with stripes. The stripes can be mirrored or single. All markings can be edited by starting the same command and selecting an existing marking. Once all the markings are placed in the drawing, Markings Report can be used to get all the markings into one table. In the dialog, under the cogwheel, you can select what columns should be displayed and what the headings should be. It is also possible to automatically assign pay items or property set to the markings, which can be used for reporting and quantification.